Fontainebleau. Yeah, this is just the part of a street. Strat. Spear. No, that's not the spear from the Venetian. Wow, what's that? What's that color blue? At another hotel? Layo na yun. Yeah. Haba pa yun ng I-15, no? Ano nyo? Traffic. Going I-15 south. San Diego yan. LA. That one naman, since my south, my north. Yun, no? Ang traffic. Pero dito sa baba natin, that's the Las Vegas Boulevard. That's the hotel. Going in and out of the hotel. There you go. Sahara. Alright. Nightlife in Vegas.